In a world constantly searching for the next breakthrough in health and nutrition, we often overlook the extraordinary potential lying right at our fingertips. Today, we're exploring the remarkable world of hemp seeds, a tiny powerhouse that could revolutionize how we think about food and wellness. Imagine a single food source that could transform your health from the inside out. Hemp seeds are not just another trendy superfood, they're a testament to nature's ingenuity, packing a nutritional punch that few other foods can match. At the heart of hemp seeds' power are their perfectly balanced essential fatty acids. The ideal ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 found in these seeds mirrors what our bodies need for optimal function. This harmony of nutrients supports our cardiovascular system, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke, silent killers in our modern world. But the marvels of hemp seeds don't stop there. In a time when protein sources are hotly debated, hemp emerges as a silent champion. These seeds offer a complete protein profile, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't produce on their own. It's a gift to those seeking plant-based nutrition, providing the building blocks for strong muscles and robust immune systems. Consider the intricate dance of hormones within our bodies, a delicate balance that affects everything from our mood to our metabolism. Hemp seeds enter this complex equation with gamma-linolenic acid, a rare fatty acid that may help regulate hormonal balance. For women battling the monthly upheaval of PMS or the long-term changes of menopause, hemp seeds offer a natural ally. In our fast-paced world, digestive health often takes a backseat. Yet, it's fundamental to our overall well-being. Hemp seeds step in as a rich source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, supporting a healthy gut microbiome and promoting regularity. It's not just about comfort, it's about creating a foundation for total body health. Perhaps most intriguing is hemp seeds' potential impact on our brains. Rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, these seeds may offer neuroprotective properties. In an age where cognitive health is increasingly precious, could hemp seeds be part of the solution to maintaining sharp, resilient minds as we age? What sets hemp seeds apart is not just their impressive nutritional profile, but their versatility and accessibility. They seamlessly integrate into any diet, offering a subtle, nutty flavor that complements rather than overwhelms. Sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or use them as a crust for baked fish. The possibilities are as vast as your culinary imagination. As we face global challenges in nutrition and sustainable food sources, hemp seeds stand out as a crop with immense potential. Resilient, fast-growing, and requiring minimal resources, hemp could be a key player in addressing food security issues around the world. In conclusion, hemp seeds are not just a food, they're a symbol of the untapped potential in nature. They remind us that sometimes, the most powerful solutions come in the smallest packages. As we continue to search for ways to improve our health and our planet, let's not overlook the humble hemp seed, a tiny titan that could help shape a healthier, more sustainable future for us all. The journey to better health and a better world might just begin with a handful of these remarkable seeds. Isn't it time you discovered the power of hemp for yourself? Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next. See you in the next one.